Dairy-free, oil-free, gluten-free, low-fat, high-protein, super creamy, super healthy, super quick and easy, cheese-free cheese fondue, made with chickpeas, but no chickpea taste, just pure creamy, cheesy deliciousness. So good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, open a can of chickpeas. Drain. Rinse. And throw them into a powerful blender. Along with a drained can of corn. A cup of cashews. A teaspoon each of garlic, onion and paprika powder. 2 cups of plant-based milk. And season with salt and pepper. Next, blend it until it's super smooth. Now just heat it up. And enjoy a super creamy and super healthy cheese fondue. Thanks for watching. So good.